Chrysler Imperial. Man, we're getting close on this guy. First things first today, gonna finish up bolting down the exhaust manifolds, get the plugs in. A lot of that's way easier from the bottom. We're also gonna drain the oil because we're gonna put fresh oil in this baby. So coming along, looking good. If it's not running today, it'll definitely be running the next day. I'm over here working on it, but the exhaust will be buttoned up. Then we're gonna start going through stuff on the carb. And then it's just little details like the bracket and some hoses. Got these little brackets right here. Where are they at? Oh, they're over there somewhere. And then we got on the carb, this bowl was leaking really bad. So we got a freshie. I have some of the other components that I need for it, which I'll be wrapping up, if not today, tomorrow. But hoping to get this thing running tomorrow, get it done, get it out of my hair, get Chris back on the road and enjoying it. Oh yeah, I love the Polara. All right, we're popping in our spark plugs. Already got the ones on the passenger side in. It's a lot easier to do these on these big Imperials, these big fuselage Mopars, from the bottom than trying to do it up over the top. Got them all in on the passenger side, like I said. I prefer to use Autolite plugs. Some people prefer Champion, some people prefer Bosch, blah, 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 yakety schmackety. Guess what? It's all about the heat range, not the manufacturer. You got to find what works best for your application. And I've always had good luck with Autolites. You know, we do live in the desert, so it's hot a lot of times, and these cars do get driven in the summertime. Not, you know, as much, but they still do. A lot of them are AC cars. So I run Autolites. I do my research. I actually think I don't just go, the guy on the internet told me to use Champions or blah, blah, blah. Yeah, guess what? Use what you like. Be smart about it. There you can see our spark plugs. Now I'm going to do, the collectors, get that wrapped up. Then I'm pretty much done underneath after I got to drain the oil real quick too, but get that wrapped up and then we will get on with finishing up everything topside. All right, we got our oil draining. All our spark plugs are in. Our exhaust collectors are done and snugged up. Everything underneath is done once this is done draining. Just finished filling up the oil. You guys already know my magic mix for these old flat tappet motors. Works great, works every time, and actually protects the lifters as opposed to scoring them and destroying them. So oil's in, everything underneath is ready to go. We're going to work on wrapping up topside here between today and tomorrow, the rest of the day today, which isn't very long. And then tomorrow, hopefully we drive it. Coil's mounted. We're full of oil. Not much left here on Chrysler Imperial. Need to do cap, rotor, and wires. Need to mount these braces. There's one of them. Quick and easy. Put the battery back. Some vacuum lines, some hoses, and away we go, boys and girls.